Hey, I'm Paul for APC. Power lines aren't perfect. Sometimes they don't deliver enough juice, and sometimes way too much. The good news, you can protect your electronics from power disruptions with a surge protector or UPS. A surge protector stops extra jolts of power from reaching valuable electronic devices and causing damage to sensitive components. The better the quality, the bigger the spike in power they can withstand. But if your power drops out, you're still left in the dark. That's where a UPS comes in handy. During an outage, the UPS delivers clean power to your devices for up to several hours, depending upon the size of the UPS and the power load of the connected devices. The UPS will keep you connected in your personal and professional life, even when the rest of the house is dark. And even when there's no outage, the UPS will monitor the input power and switch to the battery when it detects voltage outside the safe range, protecting your electronics from damage. Result? Reliable power at a steady voltage, even in a blackout. I'm Paul for APC.
$350 cruise ships. This is the amount of e-waste thrown out each year. This waste contaminates groundwater, affecting both land and sea animals. Go Green Power offers a better way. Save your items, then send back any Go Green Power used items for free. We'll recycle the items, keeping toxic waste out of oceans and landfills. Visit our website to register for an account. www.powerbygogreen.com.
The Isobar 6 Ultra Premium Surge Suppressor protects computers, peripherals, electronics, appliances, and other equipment against damaging surges, spikes, and line noise. It has a UL-verified surge protection rating of 3,330 joules. The Isobar is a gold standard in surge protection, with more than 18 million sold. In addition to its best-in-class surge-blocking architecture, this Isobar model also includes exclusive isolated filter banks. Isolated filter banks eliminate interference between connected devices and minimize the effects of EMI and RFI noises on your equipment. With a rugged metal housing and robust internal components, the Isobar 6 Ultra is built to keep working long after other premium surge suppressors have burnt out and left your equipment exposed. It's backed by Tripp Lite's no-hassle lifetime product warranty and connected equipment insurance. So if you need the best-in-class protection that's built to last, order the gold standard Tripp Lite's Isobar 6 Ultra.